Hi, I'm Jay Goldman. You're watching Mr. Mobile on Butterscotch.com. Today, a look at streaming media applications that will get your music collection from your desktop computer to your smartphone. And we're going to take a look at a solution for iPhone and for Blackberry. So whichever platform you're on, stay tuned and we'll have your music streaming to your ears from your smartphone in a few moments. The solution for the iPhone is called Simplify Media, and you may remember that name. They've actually been around for a while, even before they had a mobile client, and they've been producing a software tool that will allow you to share music between different desktop computers or laptop computers. So, for example, if you had all of your music at home and you wanted to be able to listen to it from work without having to copy all the music back and forth, you could actually just run Simplify on both machines, log into your account, and you'd have access to all of the songs. Really, really simple to download and set up. You basically just put clients on each of the computers, set up a new account, and log into it, and you'll immediately have access to all of the music that's on the different machines. And in fact, you can give access to your friends as well. So if they've got a Simplify Media screen name, you can just pop it into the client application, send them an invite, and they'll get access to all of your music. The cool thing is that they've released a client for the iPhone. You'll find it in the Apple App Store, so take a look there. We've got a link down in the show notes up on Butterscotch.com. And once you've got the client installed on your phone, just pop in your login name for Simplify Media in the settings, log in, and it will find all the libraries you've got access to, and you'll be able to play them directly from your phone. Keep in mind, of course, that this does use data because you're streaming the songs right to the phone, so you probably want to do this on Wi-Fi or if you've got an unlimited account over the GSM or the 3G connection. When you launch Simplify Music 2 from your home screen, the first thing you'll see is a list of the libraries that you have available. Now, I've gone and grabbed access to Paul's MacBook here in the office, so we can listen to all of the great stuff that he's got on his machine. But if you've got a machine at home, then it would be listed here along with any of the other computers that you're sharing media from. If you need to configure your account, tap on the settings icon, put in your screen name and password, or create a new account, and you'll get access to all of the computers that you had there. Simplify on the iPhone also supports Last.fm scrobbling, so if you have a Last.fm account and want to audio scrobble or list all of the songs that you've listened to, you can turn on Scrobble to Last.fm, put in your username and password, and have all of the information uploaded to Last.fm automatically. There are various other things you can set in the settings, but you probably just want to listen to music, so jump back to your media list, tap on the library you're looking for, and you'll see a very familiar iTunes-like control for browsing through this music by artists, albums, genres, songs, etc. Tap on any one of the entries in the media list to view all of the records that match. So for example, if we tap on all artists, we'll see all of the artists that Paul has on his MacBook. Tap on one to see the different songs that they have. Tap on a song, you'll see album art, and tap on play, and it will play automatically. Now note that it does buffer the track, and if you're on a slower connection, that might take a little while before it comes down and you can hear the whole thing. Use the search icon at the bottom of the screen to search for songs that match either on artist, album, or song. And note that you can have a favorite list, and you can add items to that favorites list by using the plus button that appears on the right side of the row when you're looking at song listings. Simplify Media is an excellent choice, even if you just want to share music between different computers, especially if you want to listen to it on your iPhone, so I highly recommend it. Again, you'll find the App Store link in the show notes on Butterscotch.com for this episode. Now, if you're a Blackberry user, you want to check out an application called I2B. That's the letter I, the number 2, the letter B, and you'll find that in the Blackberry app world. It looks quite similar to Simplify Media, so once you get it on your Blackberry, you basically want to go ahead and set up an account, and you can go through that process directly from your Blackberry, and then it will download all the songs that are on your computer in iTunes and be able to stream them to your Blackberry. It works a little bit differently in that you actually pick playlists that you want to have available from the Blackberry on the desktop client. So rather than having access to the full library, it's access to specific playlists that you've picked. But it's an excellent solution if you're a Blackberry user. Highly recommend it as well. And you'll find a link to the App Store on the show notes as well for that. So go ahead and download it, get it on your Blackberry, get your music streaming to you. I'm Jay Goldman. This has been Mr. Mobile. Thank you for watching. Check us out on Butterscotch.com for past episodes, and we'll catch you next time. This episode brought to you by our friends at Hover, the easiest way to buy domain names and do more with them. Get 25% off today by visiting hover.com/MrMobile.